Hey guys, how's it going? I want to do a little experiment here. Me and my wife are looking at getting a house here. It's out in the country, so the people that live there currently said the septic was kind of iffy, blah blah blah. And me personally, I like to use the flushable wipes. That's what I use. My wife uses toilet paper, and I've got paper towels here just for comparison because I know people flush paper towels. I mean, it happens. So um, I want to do an experiment to kind of see how these break down. I've got a couple or three Tupperwares here of water, and I'm going to be, putting the toilet paper there or the toilet paper there, paper towels, and then these Cottonelle flushable wipes. And I'm going to put them in here. I'm going to leave them in there probably, I don't know, 15 minutes or so, maybe 30. I haven't really decided yet. I'll put a lid on there, and obviously it needs some agitation to get it to break down. Maybe not necessarily the toilet paper. So I've got some lids here. Half the time's up. Put these lids on here and shake them a little bit, just to see what's going to break down the best. So in the far left here, we're going to be using one sheet of the Cottonelle flushable wipes. Just kind of get one out here. It's pretty good size, so we're going to get a piece of toilet paper about that same size. We're going to go ahead and set this to the side for now. Go ahead and lock these back up. Toilet paper, probably about 4 sheets or so. Might fold this in half, about like that. We got our flushable wipe over here, and I'm just gonna use one sheet of the paper towel. It's just regular, I don't know, Walmart brand paper towel. So I'm gonna go ahead and fold these up, set them in there. Gonna go ahead and put the paper towel in here, get that going. Go ahead and put the toilet paper in here, get that going, and then the flushable wipe in here and get that going. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the lids on here, and I'll be back in about 30 minutes. Okay, so we're back here 30 minutes later. Um, so far, I'm not really seeing anything. I haven't messed with it or anything of that sort. I set some pennies here, just in case. Just shaking it up doesn't really do anything. Put a penny in there, maybe it'll help break it down. And I think if nothing happens after that, I think we'll take it out and then just kind of uh, spread it apart, just to kind of see how easy it is to do that. So we're gonna start right now with the flushable wipe. Make sure my lids are on there good. So shaking it up pretty good, and so far I'm not seeing anything breaking down. So yeah, that's pretty much the same. So we'll move on to the toilet paper now. Yeah, the toilet paper is already pretty much done for. Alright, so the toilet paper is pretty much gone now. So there's that. Move over here and do the paper towel now. Okay, so go ahead and remove the lids here. Yeah, that paper towel is pretty much gone. Or not the paper towel, the toilet paper, I mean. As you can see here, that toilet paper is, wow. Paper towel, we'll start with this. We'll just kind of pull it out of the water, see if it breaks down any. No. So, yeah, it don't feel like it's too bad, honestly. It is a little tough. Tougher than you'd want it to be. It's kind of going to be one of those things you'd have to feel for yourself, but yeah, it's kind of tough to rip it apart. Tougher than it should be. Let's move over here to the flushable wipe. Now the flushable wipe's already starting to rip apart. Yeah. Wow, I honestly, I thought the flushable wipe would have done a lot better than this, but this still isn't too bad. It's still ripping apart somewhat, but so I think our results are pretty much in. Nothing beats flushing toilet paper, that's for sure. But these Cottonelle wipes, it says here on the package, immediately starts to break down after flushing. I mean, this is the best way that I can simulate flushing. So, you know, it's not terrible. Look at it. It's coming apart pretty good. But obviously nothing's going to beat the toilet paper. Paper towel is definitely going to be your last one. This just kind of still feels like regular paper towel in there. It's tough ripping that apart. You know, it's just like a soaked paper towel. It does not break apart easy by any means. So, I think the results are in, guys. Paper towel is going to, or why do I keep saying paper towel? Toilet paper is going to be your best bet. The flushable wipes are not the greatest, so I think we might have to just switch to toilet paper over at the new place. So, all right, guys, I hope this answered maybe any questions you guys had or anything like that. I know it does me some justice, so take it easy, everybody.